Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate marketing with Kohl's beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy affiliate marketing with Kohl's, begin by researching their affiliate program. Visit the Kohl's website and scroll down to the footer section. Look for a link labeled affiliates or affiliate program. Click on the link to access more information about the affiliate program. Read through the program details to understand the commission structure and payment terms. Next, prepare your own website or social media platform if you don't have one already. Choose a niche that aligns with Kohl's product offerings. Once your platform is ready, proceed to sign up for the Kohl's affiliate program. Complete the application form with accurate information about yourself and your marketing methods. After submitting your application, wait for approval from Kohl's. Once approved, access your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available marketing materials such as banners and product links. Select products that resonate with your audience and generate unique affiliate links for them. Create high-quality content around those products. Consider writing product reviews, creating how-to guides, or crafting buyer's guides. Integrate the affiliate links naturally within your content. Promote your content through various channels. Utilize social media, email newsletters, or even paid advertisements to reach a wider audience. Monitor your affiliate sales through the dashboard regularly. Analyze which products perform best and refine your strategy accordingly. Stay updated on Kohl's promotional events and seasonal sales. Tailor your content to highlight special deals or discounts. Engage with your audience to build trust and encourage clicks on your affiliate links. Continuously optimize your marketing strategies based on performance analytics. Make adjustments to content, design, or outreach efforts as needed. This systematic approach will help you deploy affiliate marketing with Kohl's effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.